to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro.
It's Bigg Vic TV.
Hey, welcome to my world.
What's good, y'all? It's your man Bigg Vic, and we back in here again. We're gonna finish up this session with my man Justice Plant over here. We up here cooking up. We're in the lab cooking up again, and we back on this fire that we started working on before. I had to call Mr. Plant back up and said, yo, let's go ahead and finish up this track. Let's give these dudes and girls a banger. Alright, so that's what we're working on. So, get it.
Don't know places that you take me. Baby, you already know how we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how we go. Yeah, I'm glad you came for the show. Baby, you already know how we get down, that's for sure. How we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how we go. Yeah, I'm glad you came for the show. Shawty in mind, my little diet, won't waste your time. I know your worth, it come from the earth like oil refined. Not playing around, when I bust it down, I'm not talking shorter. You fucking with me, you feeling that beat, call me Mr. Carter now. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me. Cause you don't know the places that you take me. Saying that you really like him, act like I ain't never read it. I was here, let's make it clear, knowing that you won't forget it. But I told you, won't you let me cut him off like beheaded? Whatever little mama throw, I'ma fuck around and intercept it. Hope he don't call, so they don't stall, drop a block like Tetris. Cause you might, yeah, I said it. Cause you might, yeah, I said it, oh no. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me. Cause you don't know the places that you take me. No, no, I'm not trying to be messy, I'm just glad that you text me. Fuck him, shawty, we can pick up from right where we left it. Saying that you really like him, act like I ain't never read it. I was here, let's make it clear, knowing that you won't forget it. But I said you, won't you let me cut him off like beheaded? Whatever little mama throw, I'ma fuck around and intercept it. Hope he don't call, so they don't stall, drop a block like Tetris. Cause you might, yeah, I said it. Cause you might, yeah, I said it, oh no. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't be shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me. Cause you don't know the places that you take me. Baby, you already know how we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how we go. Yeah, I'm glad you came for the show. Baby, I'm not trying to be messy, I'm just glad that you text me. Fuck him, shawty, we can pick up from right where we left it. Saying that you really like him, act like I ain't never read it. I was here, let's make it clear, knowing that you won't forget it. But I said you, won't you let me cut him off like beheaded? Whatever little mama throw, I'ma fuck around and intercept it. Hope he don't call, so they don't stall, drop a block like Tetris. Cause you might, yeah, I said it. Cause you might, yeah, I said it, oh no. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me. Cause you don't know the places that you take me. Baby, you already know how we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how we go. Yeah, I'm glad you came for the show. Baby, you already know how we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how we go. Yeah, I'm glad you came for the show.
Alright.
Shawty, you mine, my little dime, won't waste your time. I know your worth. It come from the earth like oil refined. Not playing around. When I bust it down, I'm not talking charter. Fucking with me, you feeling like B, call me Mr. Carter, yeah. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me.
Run it back.
From the top?
Probably
from the top. Let's start from the top.
Yeah, from the second verse.
We get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how it goes. Yeah. I'm glad you came for the show. Shawty, you mine, my little dime, won't waste your time. I know your worth. It come from the earth like oil refined. Not playing around. When I bust it down, I'm not talking charter. Fucking with me, you feeling like B, call me Mr. Carter, yeah.
I got
You got what I'm.
I got to scoot up on this mic.
Alright.
I got to scoot up on this mic.
Ready?
Yeah.
Shawty, you mine, my little dime, won't waste your time. I know your worth. It come from the earth like oil refined. Not playing around. When I bust it down, I'm not talking charter. You fucking with me, you feeling like B, call me Mr. Carter, yeah. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me. Don't you know the blessing that you take me, baby?
Play back.
It's the game and how it goes. Yeah. I'm glad you came for the show. Shawty, you mine, my little dime, won't waste your time. I know your worth. It come from the earth like oil refined. Not playing around. When I bust it down, I'm not talking charter. You fucking with me, you feeling like B, call me Mr. Carter, yeah. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me. Don't you know that blessing that you take me, baby? How we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how it goes. Yeah. I'm glad you came for the show. Baby, you already know. How we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how it goes. Yeah. I'm glad you came for the show.
We definitely need to throw some harmonies in some of this
Second hook?
yeah, no second
verse.
Yeah. I'm trying to see what they need.
Shawty, you mine, my little dime, won't waste your time. I know your worth. It come from the earth like oil refined. Not playing around. When I bust it down, I'm not talking charter. You fucking with me, you feeling like B, call me Mr. Carter, yeah. Cause you got.
You know what it is?
Yeah. Play it from the
From the top.
We get on the show. No way down. Glad you get fresh.
Run it back. Yeah.
You already know. Hey, yeah, that's for sure. The game and how it goes. You already know. How we get down, that's for sure. How we get down, baby. No other, no other. I'm glad you came for the show.
Let's hear that.
Me, you feeling like B, call me Mr. Carter, yeah. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me. Don't you know the blessing that you take me? How we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how it goes. I'm glad you came for the show. Baby, you already know. How we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how it goes. I'm glad you for the show. Alright, yeah. I'm not trying to be messy, I'm just glad that you text me. Fuck him, shorty, we can pick up from right where we left it. Saying that you really like him, act like I ain't never read it. I was here, let's make it clear, knowing that you won't forget it. But I tempt you, won't you let me cut him off like beheaded? Whatever little mama throw, I'ma fuck around and intercept it. Hope he don't call, shorty don't stall, drop a block like Tetris. Cause you might, yeah, said it. Cause you might, yeah, said it, oh no. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me? Cause you don't know the places that you take me. Baby, you already know, oh yeah, how we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how it goes, yeah. I'm glad you came for the show. No, baby, you already know how we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how it goes, yeah. I'm glad you came for the show. Shorty, you mine, my little dime, won't waste your time. I know your worth, it come from the earth like oil refined. Not playing around, when I bust it down, I'm not talking charter. You fucking with me, you feeling like B, call me Mr. Carter, yeah. Cause you got what I'm missing lately. That's why loving you don't feel shady. How you see you with him if he ain't me? Don't you know the blessing that you take me, baby? How we get down, that's for sure. It's the game and how it goes. That's the game. I'm glad you came for the show. Baby, you already know how we get down, that's for sure. That's just how we get. It's the game and